What's up guys, welcome to another trading recap video. This is Shahryar from Trading Club, and in this video I want to go over the trade that I took on NVDA. Now the reason that I took this trade was this news. US tightens curbs on AI chip exports to China, and this news will definitely affect semiconductor names, NVIDIA, Intel, AMD, right? So I was watching NVIDIA because of this news and because it gapped down like crazy in the pre-market. So yesterday on October 16th, NVIDIA opened around 462 and basically closed around 462, and today it opened around 440. So $20 gap down, more than $20 gap down. This is a huge gap down, and it shows that this news was definitely effective, and a huge sell-off happened. A lot of people started selling NVIDIA. Now, I was watching NVIDIA for a possible continuation to the downside because obviously it's a huge news. What happened was that when the market opened, this is what happened. Now, this is the recap of my trade. As you see, I traded 435 NVIDIA puts today, and I made like right around 4,775, and it was like almost like 100% in some of my contracts today. Now, when I saw NVIDIA is rejecting this 442, 440-ish zone in the morning, like right when the market opened, I was checking out level 2 time and sales. These are important tools that you want to use as a trader. If you don't know how to use level 2 time and sales, you can't be a really good day trader or scalper, in my opinion. At least this is my strategy. I personally use them a lot because it gives me real-time information about the market activity, the buying and selling pressure in different zones. Now, on the break of this 440, that was exactly where I entered around 933, and I gradually scaled out of my position and locked in profits. Now, I was in the trade for around 30 minutes, which was a really great trade in my opinion, and I had a lot of confirmations from the news to price action to level to time and sales, the pre-market break of critical levels, and a lot of other confirmations that helped me to become confident in taking this trade, right? So when you want to take these kind of trades, you want to make sure you have a robust trading system. You know how to enter, why enter, how to exit, why exit the position, how to manage your trade, do risk management. Your psychology is very important when it comes to getting in and out of the trades very fast, right? So I want to show you something interesting, right? Before the market opened at 9:26, I literally explained NVIDIA, and I went over this, like the setup, and I explained that, okay, you want to be careful in different scenarios. Took this trade, and a lot of our members took the same trade, and in our trading floor, we literally caught crazy results. So this is basically, today, right? So today, this is what I caught. And then like it was literally according to the game plan, 120%. Our members caught insane trades. One of our members caught SPY, QQQ, NVIDIA. Like we had amazing results today. And like even like some of our members kind of missed out on some of these opportunities. So we go over all the details, ins and outs, the reason behind all of these trades, the reason behind taking all of these trades, so that all of our members become independent, self-sufficient traders, so that they can analyze the market themselves, they can execute the trades themselves, and they can analyze their trades themselves. So this was an overall recap. I wanted to just give you some overall idea about this trade. Obviously, we have a lot of detailed recaps with the explanation of exactly why I entered, how I managed the position, and the whole thought process, and like how to trade options on these kind of setups, specifically for our members at Trading Club. Obviously, if you want to learn more, you can check out metatradingclub.com. And I would be happy to help you if you check out metatradingclub.com/apply now. One of our team members will contact you and we'll explain everything for you for free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found any valuable information, please give it a thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe for the next videos. See you in the next one.